And we have more breaking inputs coming in at this point in time, as Shashi Tharoor has been picked by the centre to represent the country as per as delegation that will be, going to the United States of America is concerned. And amidst all of this, we are seeing politics also taking place. It has sparked fresh controversy within the Congress party. Senior leader of the Congress, Jairam Ramesh, has questioned the move, insisting that party consultation is a must before accepting any such roles. The rift within the party has now come out in the open, and this also in a way exposes internal divisions ahead of crucial political battles. That's the latest update that we are getting for you. In fact, we have a long post that has been put out by Jairam Ramesh as well, wherein he is giving details. For example, he has mentioned very clearly that yesterday morning, the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, Kiran Rijiju, spoke to the Congress president and the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha. Congress was asked to submit names of 4 MPs for the delegations to be sent abroad to explain India's stance on terrorism from Pakistan. And by noon yesterday, May 16, the leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha wrote to the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, and they gave 4 names, and those did not include the name of Shashi Tharoor. Niyamika is now joining us live for more on this. Niyamika, what do we make of this? I mean, in a way, if you see what Congress party is trying to suggest is that we got a call from Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju. We were asked to submit some names that can be included in the delegations, who can be part of the delegations that will be going from India to represent the country. And that list did not include the name of Shashi Tharoor. And then we had centre picking up Shashi Tharoor to in fact lead one of the delegations that will be going to the United States of America.
Well, yes, as it is the Congress Party's General Secretary Jairam Ramesh who has given this statement. He has not just made a post, but he had also spoken to media, in which he has mentioned it clearly that the Congress Party has played the role of a responsible political party, and it was Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju who had called the leader of opposition and asked for 4 names who can be a part of this all-party delegation, and it was Rahul Gandhi, who is the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, who had written this letter to the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, in which the Congress Party had suggested 4 names, including Anand Sharma, Syed Nasir Hussain, Gaurav Gogoi and Amrinder Singh Raja Brar. But there was no mention of Shashi Tharoor in this particular letter, and that is the reason why the Congress Party's leader Jairam Ramesh has questioned this entire move, that why Shashi Tharoor's name has been given by the government of India when this was not suggested by the party itself, when it was not being mentioned by the leader of opposition's letter. And for that reason, Jairam Ramesh is saying that this is basically a mischievous activity on the part of the BJP government, and he has clearly stated the fact that these names are not being given by the Congress Party. So Shashi Tharoor's name is not nominated by the Congress Party. It is being nominated by the government of India, and for that reason he had also given a very strong message to Shashi Tharoor, as well as he has stated that there is a difference between being in the party and being off the party, and for that reason he has said that any MP who is accepting the proposal of the government of India should first consult to the top leadership of the Congress Party, and then only should take a decision. So that is stern warning which has also been given on the part of the Congress Party itself to Shashi Tharoor regarding this entire matter, because we have seen that how after the PIB press release, in which these names were being made official by the on the part of government, soon after that it was Shashi Tharoor who had welcomed this move, who had also accepted this proposal and had stated that he would be really happy to be a part of this all-party delegation.
Right. Well, he may have expressed happiness. He may have said that he is, happy to represent the country, on such an important issue. But his party definitely is not very happy with this decision of the centre. Stay on with us, Niyam.